So upon this 16mm foundation of MDF, I plan on building a 3D printer. Once upon a time, in a distant land, there was an axis called Y. Y had been created, and he knew he was capable of more. He knew he could achieve great things, but on his own he was merely a linear motion. One day, I was just hanging around, minding his own business, going about his Y linear movement as usual, and along came Z and X. Z and X looked upon Y and immediately knew that he was longing. He was longing for something. XZ quickly opened the conversation with Y, discussing multiple possibilities. Cooperation between the two could mean great things. They both knew that they were just mere instruments created on a makeshift printer. Alone they would remain makeshift instruments created by a man who was bored. But together, the possibilities are endless. Together they could create things, extraordinary things unknown to this world. And like that, a bond had been formed.